Hello, let's dive into a concise overview of Marblism.com, a platform offering AI-powered virtual employees to streamline your business operations. Marblism provides a suite of AI employees, each tailored to specific tasks. Penny crafts SEO-optimized blog posts to enhance your online presence. Stan handles sales outreach by identifying leads and sending follow-up emails. Linda assists with legal documents and contract reviews. Sunny manages your social media accounts, posting regularly on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and X. Eva acts as your executive assistant, organizing emails, meetings, and calendars. Kara provides customer support, addressing inquiries and resolving issues. These AI employees are designed to operate 24/7, ensuring tasks are completed without delays or the need for constant supervision. User feedback highlights the effectiveness of Marblism's AI employees. 92% of users report satisfaction after the first week of use, an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 across all users. Over 10,000 tasks are completed weekly by AI employees. 75% of users save at least 10 hours per week. Supports operations in over 60 industries. Users can save between $5,000 and $30,000 in monthly overhead costs. Marblism offers a 14-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the service. If you're looking to enhance productivity and reduce operational costs, Marblism's AI employees could be a valuable addition to your business. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more insights into innovative business solutions.